Hello guys, so today you have a choice menu. This is really simple. You only choose one of the four. In order to get credit, you're going to use any app of your choosing. So this is simple. For those who do want a little bit more help, you can use Notability, Flipgrid, Clips. Those are the ones I would recommend. So let's go through these real quickly. So let's compare. So compare a flower reproductive to an animal reproduction. Compare and contrast. How are they similar? How are they different? I would draw a plant and draw the little parts of the reproductive system just to kind of make sure you understand them. Maybe draw a Venn diagram for that. Journal entry, you're just going to write about the point of view of a green plant in a hot summer. Illustration, you're going to draw a flower showing me xylem and phloem, what exactly is going to be being transported with xylem and phloem, and what directions they flow inside a plant. And the last is a letter to the principal. You're going to write about the process of phototropism, and you're going to make sure you explain it in a way that they can understand it. Okay, so once again, you're only choosing one topic. Okay, so just pick a topic from this list.